In this video, we are going to talk about the instructor-led live DevOps certification training offered by MCAL Global. What is DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that automates the process between software development and IT teams in order that they can build, test, and release software faster and more reliably. Why should you learn DevOps? DevOps is featured as one of the 11 best jobs this year by CBS News. Data from PayScale shows as a DevOps manager, you will earn as much as $122,000 a year. A DevOps engineer can earn as much as $151,000 a year. DevOps are the third highest tech role as ranked by Indeed.com, but it has the second highest talent deficit. This makes DevOps a very sweet spot to be in, and someone willing to change their career or want to start something new should really look at DevOps very seriously. DevOps certification training is designed to help you become a DevOps practitioner. It will allow you to apply the latest in DevOps methodology to automate your software development lifecycle right out of the class. You will master continuous integration, deployment, delivery, and monitoring using DevOps tools such as GitHub, Docker, and Jenkins, Ansible, Rundeck, and in practical, hands-on, and interactive approach. The DevOps training course focuses heavily on the use of Docker containers, a technology that is revolutionizing the way apps are deployed in the cloud today and is a critical skill to master in the cloud age. What skills will you learn? You will gain an understanding of DevOps and the modern DevOps tool sets. Get the ability to automate all aspects of a modern code delivery and deployment pipeline. Understand Linux essentials. Work with source code management tools. Master build tools. Effectively used test automation tools. Leverage containerization through Docker and get hands-on experience on configuration management tools. Tools covered in DevOps certification training: Maven, SonarQube, Nexus, Ansible, GitHub, Linux, Rundeck, Jenkins, Jira, Selenium, Apache Web Server, Docker, and Microsoft Azure. The curriculum is divided in 4 modules. In Module 1, we are going to cover Introduction to DevOps, Fundamentals of Linux, Exercise 1, Hands-on Lab to Execute Linux Commands. In Module 2, we're going to cover Docker Overview, Docker Operations, Ansible Overview, Ansible Operations. Exercise 2, Hands-on Practice to Create Docker Containers and Operations. Exercise 3, Hands-on Lab to Create Ansible Playbooks. In Module 3, we're going to cover Continuous Integration with Jenkins, Code Coverage with SonarQube, Nexus Installation Configuration and Integration with Jenkins. Exercise 4, Hands-on Lab to Perform DevOps Lifecycle. And Exercise 5, Lab to Install and Configure Components. In Module 4, we are going to cover Install and configure components of testing. Example, Selenium, test ng. Configure Jenkins job to perform functional tests. Continuous deployment. Install and configure Rundeck. Rundeck job creation and manual deployment. Exercise 6. Install and configure all components. Exercise 7. Configure and run full DevOps lifecycle. We believe in instructor-led, hands-on interactive labs as the best method of teaching. Labs will be conducted on Azure Cloud Platform. Students will be taught to provision their own machines, containers, and the DevOps toolset. The course is designed to run 4 weekends with 6 hours per weekend with a total of 24 contact hours. It has been specifically designed to run in the weekends so that it can fit in your busy schedule. You can go to school through the week or to your work, and you can do this course during the weekend to get one step ahead of your competition. After this course, you can create DevOps environment from scratch all by yourself. Operate Linux or Unix environment with proficiency. Automate data flow. Perform continuous integration using Jenkins. Operate Selenium to automate your testing. Parse code using Sonar cubes. Install and configure Nexus. Work with Tomcat Servlet Engine. Provision infrastructure on Azure Cloud Platform. Install and run Docker containers. Effectively use Rundeck. Use APIs of Nexus repository. Leverage Maven, Jira, and GitHub. Use Apache Web Server for reverse proxy and much more. MCAL Global Assurances. Globally recognized course completion certificate after due assessment. 24/7 support for your technical queries and issues. Apart from training, get personalized advice from your dedicated mentor. Get lifetime access to the entire content, including videos, quizzes, and assignments. To get more information on DevOps certification training by MCAL Global, you can contact us at ml@mcal.in with the subject line of DevOps, or you can visit our website mcalglobal.com and get more information. Wish you all the best.